Kezia Noble, a minute. Why is Reform UK the answer?
When it comes to restore versus reform, the question isn't who sounds the most patriotic, it's who has an actual plan that you can implement. This is the first reason for why I've chosen Reform UK over Restore Britain. They have a plan. They are offering very specific, very well thought out changes which can actually be implemented. It's not a plan if it can't be implemented. Second reason, they have credibility. They have a far greater national visibility than Restore do. They're organised. They have very high profile leadership, which is incredibly important. They have broader policies and they have a strong electoral track record. Now, if you look at Restore Britain, their visibility is online. Their visibility is online because of viral posts, and I admit it, very high levels of online engagement, but their offline engagement is pretty bad. So that's the third reason, offline engagement. I speak to average people who do not have a clue. They've never even heard of Restore Britain, let alone Rupert Lowe. They don't know who Richard Tice is. They know Nigel Farage. That's it. You have visibility online, right? Mm-hmm. But we have visibility offline. So we have a very steady, growing offline campaign.
But I've got to pick you up on this because I think you have just in some ways exploded your own argument, because what you're saying is that you're a personality cult behind one man, Nigel Farage.
We have a very high profile leadership. Yes, he's very high profile, unlike Rupert Lowe, who's not high profile. He is in Twitter world, but not in the real world. But going back to my point, we have a steady growing offline campaign. So we have literally an army on the ground of volunteers, as me, campaigners, councillors, of members who are knocking on doors, speaking to the average person who still think it's a two-horse race.
Yes, so they're ahead. They're ahead of you, Monty. That's a fair point, though, isn't it? Reform is so well organised.
Oh, well, it's very organised.
Look, you've got to give Reform the credit of they have they have, as I said before we started the show, they're a battle ram to conversation and opening a whole new political world, really.
I think me and you are ultimately on the same side. We want the same thing for Britain. Britain is broken and we want to see less immigration. We want to see lower taxes. Would you agree with that so far?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
So we're on the same side. It's just that ultimately you're going for somebody who's got an online presence with no workable plan.